take any of that stuff. All right. Now, this is the loin. So what do we find in the loin? We have this bone structure, chine, and then feather bone, just like in the rib, except in the rib we had rib bones coming down. Here, in the middle, we have what? Finger bones. Chine, feather, and then finger in the middle. All right? And then from here back is the hip bone. And there's one rib bone here. That's the 13th rib. And that's it. But before we get to that, let's break it down a little bit. We can assess it. You can take some parts off of it. Here we have the flank steak. Anyone ever see flank steak before? Work with flank steak?
Yes.
What did you do with it? How was it prepared?
Grilled it.
You grilled it, and then what? Right, if we eat a slicing steak, good. It's the original London broil. When we talk about London broil, we're talking about a large steak that's grilled and then sliced. All right? It's got a cover over the top. Whose turn? Your turn. Get ripping.
Rip it.
Fry steak.
Look at that.
Oh, you're so strong.
All right, now you can use a knife. There it is. There you go. It's beautiful, translucent. Now we take this down like so, and peel out the steak. So out of this giant section, how much of it is flank steak? Not much.
Isn't there only one flank steak per?
Side.
No.
There's 2 of these on the animal. That's it. Flank steak. All right. Identifying features.
Grain.
Obvious grain. Right. And it's got a kind of a north pole and a south pole. You know, it's white up here and white down there. Excuse me.
Does it have a different tenderness as with the skirt steak?
Yeah, it's about the same as skirt steak. It's in that same category of skirt steak, hanger steak, tri-tip, a lot of steaks that will fit in this same basic tenderness. They're not about being extremely tender. They're about being flavorful and relatively inexpensive. You know? So it's a good cut for a lot of uses. That one's going to be good. Let's dry age a little. Next, I'm going to take off this big chunk of fat. There's a little bit of meat on the outside of this. And a little bit of meat that runs in along the bottom. We can put that in that pile for, well, let's take this part off. That's good enough for trim for today. And that you can put on the thing for tomorrow. And this is all fat.
I'd say it's at least delicious.